Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit someone's pay rate on Hubstaff. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to edit someone's pay rate on Hubstaff. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to do this is that first you're going to hop into your Hubstaff account here. And then next you're going to click on People, which is on the left-hand side. And then you're going to click on the individual whose pay rate you want to go ahead and edit. So you can either do a quick edit by clicking on one of these icons here, see how it auto-populates, or you could actually go into their member profile. So if I click into this member profile and then click on pay and bill, you'll also be able to edit the pay rate here as well. So if I want to set this to 40 per hourly, I would then just click on save afterwards. Save changes. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit the pay rate of someone on your team. If you guys know a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.